The Kilgore Independent School District has settled a lawsuit involving property owners who paid taxes to the district. Plaintiffs say the district denied them a $10,000 tax exemption. And as KLTV7's Jamie Boyum reports, the lawsuit has been pending for about 6 years now.
Plaintiffs in the lawsuit against Kilgore ISD say the district denied them a $10,000 exemption. According to KISD attorney Dennis Eichelbaum, district residents were given the option of a local homestead exemption of about $10,000 to $15,000 that would cut back taxes collected by the district. In 2015, the Texas legislature passed Senate Bill 1, which gave property owners a similar option. If the school district had already granted an exemption, as was the case with KISD, the district had to honor it.
The legislature added some language that said that if you gave a local optional homestead exemption the previous year, you would have to continue giving that amount of local optional homestead exemption the following year.
He says that essentially doubled the exemption amount from 2015 to 2019.
We can't afford to make it a $35,000 because that's going to take too many taxes away from us for being able to serve the students.
He says the Kilgore ISD school board, like other districts in the state, voted to withdraw the local homestead exemption. But he says there was a delay in making the state homestead exemption law.
It was signed into law by Governor Abbott on June 15th, but it didn't become law until the state had an election in November approving it.
Eichelbaum says KISD withdrew the local homestead exemption option during the time between when Governor Abbott signed it and voters approved it. A group of attorneys and the Texas Attorney General filed suit against the school districts who removed the local homestead exemption.
The Attorney General was not joining the lawsuit in order to get taxes back. His purpose was to say, you're not following the law, and I'm intervening to enforce the law.
He says the higher taxes paid to the district amounted to $20 to $1,500 a year, depending on property value. The case went to the Court of Appeals and the Texas Supreme Court. Before it went farther, KISD decided to settle.
This suit has been pending for 6 years. It is now resolved, and people have till May 1st to sign up and participate.
Jamie Boyum, KLTV 7 News.
And Kilgore ISD agreed to a nearly $3 million settlement. If this applies to you, we have more information on our website at kltv.com. You can find it by opening your phone's camera and scanning the QR code on your screen.